Hello, teachers and my dear parents. Before you make your kids learn alphabet or numbers, you must teach your preschoolers pre-writing skills. So today in this video, I'm going to show different types of strokes which really help you to tricks explain your kids so that they can press the line properly. These strokes are the lines and curves. We have two types of pattern. First pattern is line pattern, second curve pattern. First of all we learn about line pattern. Number 1 is standing line. This is a standing line. See again, standing line. Number 2 is a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. Number 3 is a slanting line. Right slanting. इसको हम स्लाइडिंग भी कह सकते हैं. Sliding line, right sliding. This is called right sliding. Slanting line, this is called left sliding. Left sliding. This is a left sliding line. Up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we learn about curve. This is called left curve. Left curve. What is this? Left curve. What is this? Left curve. Left curve. Right curve. Right curve. Right curve. Up curve. What is this? Up curve. Up curve. Down curve. Down curve. Down curve. Circle. Round circle. Round circle. Round circle. Now our pattern is lines and curve. Standing line, sleeping line, right sliding, left sliding, up, down, up, down. Curve is left curve, right curve, up curve, down curve, round circle, semicircle. Okay.